basketball fanatics all over the Bicol region. Welcome to the new season of Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. We are now on the 8th season, and now we will having our opening ceremonies for this grand opening or the start of Bukal Season 8. So this time we will know or makikilala po natin yung mga schools na magpa-participate for our Bukal Season 8 and of course the courtside reporters for this season and of course yung mga bago po nating schools na magpa-participate for Bukal Season 8. We welcome every one of you here on the opening of Bukal Season 8. Live na live po tayo ngayon dito sa University of Nueva Cáceres Sports Palace. And of course, you can watch us live here at GNN TV 48 Naga and of course, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon. I am your commentator. This is Jasper Abante and I will be with you throughout this opening ceremony. Ayan, at of course, nandiyan ang ating mga sponsors na sumusuporta for our Bukal Season 8. We have Elaville Tours Philippines Incorporated. We also have HJP Pawn Shop. We have GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. And also, yung mga sumusuporta po for Bukal Season 8, ayan, patuloy po tayong maghahatid ng quality top-tier basketball actions. Of course, magsisimula na po ang ating Bukal Season 8, napakagandang action na naman yung matutunghayan natin every weekends. Ayan yung mga laro natin for Bukal Season 8. And of course, makikilala po natin mamaya-maya lamang yung mga magpa-participate na schools and of course the courtside reporters, kung sino yung mga coaches nila, the players na kailangan nating abangan for Bukal Season 8. And of course this time, let's have our courtside reporter Kate De La Torre from the ACB-SUI Panthers. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper. Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Welcome to the new season, new energy, and a whole new level of game. Welcome to the Bukal Season 8. And this year, we are setting the tone with a non-stop action. And speaking of action, makakasama natin ngayon the masterminds of the pride of Sorsogon, the ACB-SUI Panthers. We have Coach Evan De La Cruz and their team captain, James Ivan Bello. So, unahin muna natin si Coach. So Coach, ano po ba yung nafe-feel nyo right now re-entering the new season of the Bukal? Masaya ka ba? Nape-pressure ba? Or excited ka, Coach?
Well, sobrang masaya and excited po sa new season na ngayon. Sana maging okay ang lahat at magawa yung lahat ng mga game plan.
Alright, Coach. Matanong ko lang, Coach, with the previous season, ano po ba yung lamang ng mga Panthers ngayon for the Season 8 ng Bukal?
Well, siguro experience and then mas marami pang na-adjust dahil sa mga experience na nakaraang mga games po. Sige lang.
Alright, so lastly, Coach, I know that the team are now prepared for this moment. Ano po ba yung mapapayo nyo sa kanila para dire-diretso yung panalo sa bawat laro?
Well, lagi ko lang sinasabi sa kanila na mag-focus and lagi na lang sumunod sa game plan namin para mas maganda yung mabibigay nilang laro sa every game namin. Yun lang po. And enjoy sila lagi sa game.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach Evan. Ngayon naman makakasama natin their team captain, James Ivan Bello. So, James, ano ba yung nafe-feel mo right now re-entering once again the Bukal?
Kinakabahan po kami kasi lahat naman po kami baguhan yung iba po namin na katama. Tapos malalakas rin po yung mga kalaban namin.
Alright, so since yung Bukal natin ngayon with the Season 8 is all about defining history, what kind of history ba yung mapapakita ng Panthers for this season?
Yun nga po, yung sabi ni Coach na alamang rin po kami sa experience kasi yung mga nakarang laro namin sa mga ibang lugar po. Tapos tatrabahuin na lang po namin para makuha namin yung panalo.
Alright, lastly, is there any message to the teams, sa mga coaches, and of course to your supporters and live viewers na nanonood sa atin ngayon?
Hello po sa lahat na nanonood po sa Bukal Season 8. Then, shoutout po sa mga teammate po dyan, tapos kay Coach po, then kila Ma'am Jean po, then kila Madam, tapos sa family ko po sa Bulan.
Alright, thank you so much Coach Evan and James. And there you have it. At talagang kaabang-abang ang mga kaganapan sa bawat laro for this Bukal. And to bring you all the action for this season, I am Kate Catherine De La Torre, your courtside reporter for this new season. At ako ang live niyong makakasama at makakachikahan here with our official Facebook page, Bukal, at sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defying History. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa iyo, Jasper.
Yes, thank you so much, Kate. And that's it for our Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated Panthers. Ayan, thank you din sa nakasama ni Kate na coach and of course yung team captain dito ng ACB-SUI Panthers. And of course, mamaya-maya lamang makakasama natin another courtside reporter from the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ayan, so habang naghihintay, once again, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan on behalf of Bukal ang ating mga sponsors. We have Elaville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Experience Effortless Travel, and of course, Skytech Advertising, your one-stop shop printing and advertising service. And of course, HJP Pawn Shop. Pawn shop na mapagkakatiwalaan as in may puso sa oras nin pangangaipo. And of course, AP Barbers, ayan, always precision, always perfect. We have also GNN TV 48 Naga, Bidaan Bicolano, and of course, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And of course, while waiting for our next team na makakasama natin for Bukal Season 8, ayan, yung mga nakatutok po for our team bahay, ayan, live na live po tayo sa Facebook page ng Bukal and GNN TV 48 Naga. Now we have our courtside reporter, we have Maui Balane from the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Thank you so much, Jasper. I must say, it's so good to be back here. And of course, alam kong nag-aantay na nga yung ating mga viewers and audiences dito kung ano nga bang mga bago sa ating mga teams ngayon. Which is, I have here Brian Asug and Vincent de la Concepcion, players from the MPCF Blue Dolphins. So, Brian, so the last season, alam naman natin na it was not been the luckiest season for your team. So ano ba yung mga recalibrations or naging adjustment nyo prior to or coming into this season?
Ano lang po, yung naging adjustment lang po namin, ano po, yung mga mali po, yung nakaraan, tatamayan na lang po namin ngayon. Tapos grabe po yung paghahanda namin sa training. Palagi po kaming all out sa mga practice. Yun lang po, ma'am.
Brian, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano nga ba kahanda ang MPCF Blue Dolphins for this season?
Mga ano po, ma'am, mga 8 of 10.
Thank you so much, Brian. Ikaw naman, Vincent. Vincent, ano ba yung mga dapat kaabang-abang or dapat mga abangan namin sa MPCF Blue Dolphins?
Ano po, kahit underdogs po kami, lalaban kami, bibigyan namin po sila ng magandang laban and sa bawat team.
Well, we're going to expect much from you guys. So, any message sa MPCF Blue Dolphins community?
Ano po, bibigay mo po namin ang best namin para kahit papaano may makatungtong kami sa quarterfinals, mga ganyan po. May malaki yan. And sana po supportahan namin kayo,
Okay, thank you so much. Ready and prepared to give their utmost effort here on Bukal Season 8. I am Maui Balane and this is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui, for sa pagpapakilala, of course, ng ating second team. We have the Mariners, Blue Dolphins, and of course, sino kaya yung makakasama natin on our third courtside reporter, and of course, anong school yung kanyang i-represent. And of course, while we are waiting sa ating next courtside reporter, of course, kaabang-abang rin po yung ating opening ceremony ngayong hapon dahil may matutunghayan po tayong performances. Okay, so we have 2 performances for this afternoon prepared sa atin ng Bukal. And of course, Ayan ang ating President for Bukal Board of Directors. We have Coach Miguel Gustavo M. Perez. Ayan, makikilala din po natin sila mamaya lamang. Our board members and of course, the commissioners, assistant managers. Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat po sa nakatutok sa ating live stream. Ayan, kaabang-abang na naman yung kada weekends natin dito dahil makakapanood na naman po tayo ng napakagandang laban dito sa Bukal. Now for the third school, nandiyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eugene Nueva from the Dominican School of Camalig Incorporated Greyhounds. Eugene, take it away.
The Heartbeat Collegiate Sport is back. What a fiery afternoon and soar high energy Bucalistas reporting on the side of Dominican Schools of Camaligan Albay. Galing pa sila sa bayan ng Albay and they are now here in Naga City for Bucal Season 8 to showcase their pride and honor for the Dominican Greyhounds. And by this time, kilala sila sa Albay sa maanghang at mabilis na laro. And for this Bucal Season 8, makikilala na natin sila sa mag-aalab na bakbakan reporting and every possession matters and every crowd for Dominican Greyhounds echoes and heavy heartbeats races with against. And for this afternoon, kasama natin ang isa sa mastermind ng Dominican Greyhounds, Ace Benitez. So what a wonderful afternoon, Coach.
Good afternoon po, everyone.
So ngayon lang tayo, Coach, nagkasama. So the Bucalistas out there, they want to try or they want to ask, ano ba yung bago, ano ba yung new system ng Dominican Greyhounds for these new seasons of Bucal? Because again, you're first timer here in Bucal Season 8.
Focus lang kami sa sistema ni Coach Alex Nuiles and sa mga training, guard lang kami lagi and yun lang po.
So Coach, from the kasaysayan ng 1948 ng Dominican Greyhounds, of course, marami kayong accomplishments na na-accomplish for this year. For example na dyan is the National Prisa. You represented the Bicol region and the national stage in Bacolod City. So marami kayong pinagdaanan, marami kayong natutuhan for that achievement. So ano yung isang Dominican value na gusto mong ipakita sa mga Bucalistas natin out there?
Actually po, 2 years pa lang kami, yung Dominican. Nung nag-retire si Coach Alex Nuiles, umuwi sa Albay, then Binoy yung Dominican. Yun, 2 years pa lang po kami, then naka-national Prisa.
So Coach, complete this sentence. Kami ang Dominican School of Camaligan Incorporated. Pagkatapos nitong Bucal Season 8, gusto nyong maalala kami bilang?
Tingnan na lang natin para surprise.
And let's see, Bucalistas, kung ano ba yung pasabog ng Dominican Greyhounds for these times. And by that, kasama din natin ang team captain na si Frank Balisbis ng Dominican Greyhounds. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
So for you, wearing that blue jersey, ano yung pakiramdam nyo? Especially you as a first-timer na nandito na kayo to represent your school.
Isang karangalan po at nakaka-proud po na i-representa ang Dominican School of Greyhounds Camalig.
So by that, di ba, Dominican Greyhounds kayo, your identity in animals is Greyhounds. So bakit nga ba pinakaangkop ang Greyhounds for your school?
Ang Greyhounds po kasi ay mabilis at matatag na team. Yun lang po.
So pag kayo nanalo, sino yung unang taong gusto mong mapasaya for this Bucal Season 8 journey?
Gusto ko pong mapasaya ang aking pamilya at yung mga coaches ko po at teammates na nanonood. Yun lang po.
At si Boss Joey Salceda, pag nanalo kami dito, para kay Boss Joey to.
So Bucalistas, every player, there is a strength and weaknesses. So para naman sa'yo, ano yung mga sacrifice mo, preparations mo, adjustments para sa tournament na ito?
Isinakripisyo po ang oras at nag-double effort po sa training at nag-extra effort din po. Yun lang.
So once again, Bucalistas, that's the Dominican Schools of Camaligan Incorporated. Maraming salamat, Coach, and maraming salamat for the player, for the team captain. And Bucalistas, don't blink because you might miss the next big play, the next unforgettable play, and the next breakout star. Next, because the next champions and the next breakout star is on the Dominican Greyhounds. That's the update. I am Eugene Nueva, reporting on the side of Dominican Schools of Camaligan. Bucal Season 8, chasing greatest, defining history.
Yes, thank you so much, Eugene Nueva. Ayan, nakilala po natin, the Dominican Greyhounds. Ayan, new team for Bukal Season 8. Nako, kaabang-abang yung performance na ipapakita nila dito sa ating Bukal Season 8. And of course, don't go away dahil mamaya po ay ipapakilala pa po namin yung remaining schools na hindi nyo pa po nakikilala. Only here on Bukal and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we are back para makilala po natin yung mga remaining schools na magpa-participate for our Bukal Season 8. We have our next school will be the Naga College Foundation Cubs. So makakasama natin dyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Clark Cantuba. Ayan, Clark, sinong kasama mo dyan?
Diyos marhay na hapon, Bukalistas. Today is the day we've all been waiting for. Kaya naman, hold on tight to your seats because andito na nga tayo sa ating simula sa Bukal Season 8. At ngayon nga ay makakasama natin ang NCF Tigers coach at ang player ng NCF Tigers coach na si Coach Brian Ayo at si James. Ayan. So Coach, magandang hapon po. Ano po yung nararamdaman ninyo ngayon?
I think excited ako sa opening ngayon kasi new season, new faces, and bagong chance na prove ourselves sa hard court.
Ayan, how about you, James? Ano naman ang nararamdaman mo ngayon na andito na kayo sa ating hard court ngayon?
Okay Okay lang po, medyo na kinakabahan lang.
Ayan, Coach, pwede ba naming malaman kung ano ang pinag-improve or mas pinukusan ninyo ngayon sa inyong gameplay para sa ating Bukal Season 8?
First, syempre, yung players recruitment namin. So, since most of our players last year naubos, nag-graduate na, so we look for players that will fit for our team, and we are building team para ma-show yung opportunity sa Bukal.
Ayan, and I'm really sure na talagang inaabangan ng NCF Tigers community kung ano ipapakita ng NCF Tiger Cubs dito sa ating Bukal Season 8. Ayan, dito naman tayo kay James. James, kwentuhan mo naman kami kung ano ang mga experiences mo during the trainings sa off-season.
Medyo nakakapagod po, pero dapat heads up na kami palagi para makuha namin yung panalo ngayon para sa Bukal.
Ayan, ito talaga ang gusto naming malaman, Coach and James. Is the NCF Tigers Cubs ready to win a championship?
Pag nakarating kami sa championship, see us roar na lang.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach. Do you have any message or invites sa lahat ng nanonood at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa NCF Tigers Cubs?
First of all, I'd like to invite everyone, especially sa NCF Tigers community, to watch and support Bukal, NCF Cubs for this Season 8 ng Bukal.
Ayan, how about you, James? Do you have any message or invites sa ating mga manonood at sa inyong friends at pamilya?
Gusto ko naman,
Sige lang.
gusto ko na manood yung pamilya namin pag may mga laro kami manood yung pamilya namin.
Ayan, thank you so much. There you have it, ang head coach at player ng NCF Tigers. Walang iba kundi si Coach Brian at si James. At mga kaibigan, mukhang handang-handa na nga talaga ang NCF Tigers Cubs para sa ating season. Kaya't sabay-sabay natin silang abangan. And this has been your courtside reporter, Clark Cantuba, and I am honored to welcome you on the season of the Bukal Season 8. Chasing greatness, defining history. And we are live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Jasper.
Yes, thank you so much, Clark. From the NCF Cubs, ayan, nakilala na po natin ang ating pang-apat na school na magpa-participate for our Bukal Season 8. And of course, titingnan natin or aabangan natin kung paano magro-roar itong ating NCF Cubs dito sa ating ika-8 season ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. And of course, gusto ko lang po ulit pasalamatan or naming pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors for Bukal Season 8. We have Elaville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Skytech Advertising, HJP Pawn Shop, AP Barbers, GNN TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. And of course, yung mga gusto pong manood ng ating opening ceremonies, ayan, live na live po tayo dito sa UNC Sports Palace. And of course, sa team bahay naman natin ng mga hindi makakapunta, live po tayo ngayon sa Facebook pages ng Bukal and of course, Oragon Sports TV. And of course, meron pa po tayong mga schools na dapat kilalanin. Pang-apat pa lang po yan. So, meron pa tayong 8 schools na dapat makilala. So, bale, 12 participating schools po yung maglalaban-laban dito sa ating Bukal Season 8. And now for the 5th school, we have the Mariners, or I mean the ACLC Naga Hawks. We have our courtside reporter, Famke Matosino. Famke, take it away.
When I say Bukal Season 7 Juniors Basketball Champions, there's only one team that comes to mind, the ACLC Hawks of Naga City. Bukalistas, reigning champions, are back, and they are so ready to defend their title and make history with a back-to-back championship. Joining me now is the finals MVP last season. We have Vince Calderon. So hello, Vince. No, I'm sure that you are so excited, and I must say that you prepared and worked hard to win last season. Now that you are defending your title, what is one thing you did last year that you will bring this season?
Ano lang po, yung focus and effort po namin sa loob ng court is di lagi nawawala sa amin.
Okay, and with so many talented teams competing this season, earning another spot to the finals won't be easy. So, how will you ensure to secure that again?
Mas pagpupursigihan pa po namin para masecure po namin yung spot namin sa finals ulit.
Okay, thank you so much, Vince. And now, joining me is one of the key players of ACLC Hawks. And let's all welcome Aldre Tabilog. From being a rookie to becoming the team captain, what's one thing you constantly remind your teammates?
Always lang po ibigay yung 100% na effort sa practice because ito naman po yung lalabas sa actual game po. Kaya lagyan ng effort yung ginagawa. Yun lang.
And of course, as the defending champions, expectations are high. So what is your mindset into heading this season? We come back stronger or we dominate until the very end?
We come back stronger po because lahat naman natin po ay well prepared naman po. So gaya nila, yung preparation po namin is mas tataasan namin yung level ng standard.
Okay, thank you so much, Vince and Aldre. And of course, let us all support the ACLC Hawks. And there you have it. This team is ready to step onto the court. And once they do, there's no turning back. I am Famke Matosinio, and this is Bukal Season 8. Chasing greatness, defining history. Back to the panel.
Yes, thank you so much, Famke, sa pagpapakilala sa amin, of course, ng ating ACLC Naga Hawks. Ayan, naglaro na rin yung ating ACLC Naga Hawks sa mga nagdaang seasons ng Bukal. Ayan, so far, nakakalimang schools na tayo. We have the ACB SCI Panthers. We also have the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We also have the NCF Cubs, the Dominicans, Greyhounds, and of course, the ACLC Naga Hawks. Ayan, malapit na po. So tomorrow we will be starting our games for Bukal Season 8. Ayan, napakagandang bakbakan na naman yung matutunghayan natin or the weekend actions na mag-aabang sa atin for Bukal. And of course, talagang bakbakan kung bakbakan. Very exciting po yung dapat nating maabangan na mga bakbakan for Bukal Season 8. Ayan, iba't ibang schools for this Bukal Season 8. And of course, our next school will be the Holy Trinity College of Kamsur Golden Eagles. Nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Pia San Benaventura. Pia, take it away.
A precious afternoon, Picolandia. Excitement is definitely in the air as we welcome one of the newest teams joining Bukal Season 8, the Trinitians Golden Eagles. Ngayon, kasama natin ang kanilang sports coordinator na si Polly Alvarez at si Antonella Joseph Villota, ang kanilang point guard, upang makilala sila at malaman ang kanilang expectations this season. Ano po ang goals and expectations ninyo para sa inyong team ngayong season?
Marami kaming expectations tungkol dito sa Bukal. Una ay makuha namin yung champion para sa amin. At makamit namin kung ano ang minimithi ng aming mga manlalaro ngayong.
Wow, tunay na nakakamangha ang kanilang determinasyon. Ano po ang maaaring abangan ng ating mga spectators mula sa Trinitians Golden Eagles?
Marami ka pa kaming mga dapat kaabang-abang at matutunghayan ninyo kung ano yung mga galaw ng aking mga players. Lalo-lalo na kapag Holy Trinity ang maglalaro.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Polly. Para naman sa iyo, Villota. Bilang first-time participant sa Bukal, ano pakiramdam na maging bahagi sa tournament na ito?
Masaya po. Masarap sa feeling bilang isang atleta na makalaro sa Bukal.
Ay wow, tunay na nakakasiya. Ano po ang mensahe ninyo para sa mga fans at supporters na patuloy na sumusuporta sa inyong team?
Abangan lang po nila yung mga laro namin. Lalo na yung defense namin.
Kaabang-abang talaga ang kanilang defense daw. Maraming salamat po, Sir Polly, at sa ating player na si Villota. Wishing you the best of luck this Bukal Season 8. Ayan na nga, dala nilang determinasyon at kagustuhang may bakita ang kanilang kakayahan sa loob ng court. Muli ako si Pia San Buenaventura, nag-uulat mula sa sidelines. Para sa Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Jasper, balik sa'yo.
Yes, thank you so much, Pia San Buenaventura from the Holy Trinity College of Kamsur Golden Eagles. Ayan, another new team po yung makakasama natin for Bukal Season 8. This will be their first time participating for Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. And of course, sa ating ikawalong season po, matutunghayan natin kung ano yung dapat nilang ipakita to the Bicol region and beyond. And of course, maraming salamat po sa nakatutok for our opening ceremonies ngayong hapong ito, and of course yung mga nakatutok po for our Facebook pages, Facebook lives. We have Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Facebook page, and of course Oragon Sports TV. And of course, our next school, makikilala natin yan maya-maya lamang. So far, nakaka-anim na schools na tayo. So, 6 pa po yung kailangan nating makilala. And of course, kung marinig rin natin yung kanilang mga pinaghanda for this season. And of course, our next school will be the USI Falcons. Ayan, nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Ira Avila. Ira, take it away.
Rising afternoon, Bicolandia. We are all here today to chase greatness and to define history in this new season of Bukal. And speaking of Bukal, standing right beside me is Coach Pops and James from the USI Falcons. And Coach, we all know that every team has prepared for this season. And for you, Coach, ano yung masasabi mong advantage na dala ng new roster in this season compared sa last year?
Siguro ngayon mas gutom yung mga players namin, mas ready sila mag-compete. So unlike last year, yung mga players kasi namin medyo lacking sila na experience. Good thing yung mga bago namin ngayon, at least meron na silang mga league experience at least. So expect nyo na mas competitive yung team namin sa juniors ngayon. Mas gutom manalo, and at the same time, syempre marespeto pa rin sa kanila.
And James, sa advantage nyo na yun, how would that shape your game throughout this season?
Yun nga po yung sabi ni Coach na stay hungry lang po sa improvements po, and yung mga tinitraining po namin, sana po madala po namin sa laro po.
And with the new season, ano yung masasabi mong dapat abangan ng mga audience from the USI Juniors basketball team?
Siguro abangan nilang mas kami. Again, emphasize ko lang, mas gutom yung mga players, mas competitive kami ngayon. So gagawin namin lahat para makapagbigay kami ng magandang laro sa lahat ng scheduled games namin dito sa Bukal.
And James, from you naman as a player, ano yung dapat naming abangan?
Abangan nyo po na mas matapang po kami kaysa sa dati namin pong team, and sana po ma-enjoy po namin yung mga laro na lalaroin na po sa Bukal po.
And finally, Coach and James, you might want to give a message or invite the USI community to watch Bukal.
So first of all po, I would like to invite the whole USI community to watch and support our games live and online. So yun, supportahan nyo kami sa parating na Bukal Season 8.
Sana po suportahan niyo po kami sa mga susunod na lalaroin na po namin po sa Bukal po.
Thank you, Coach Pops and James. The fight is now on for the USI Falcons. Bucalistas, brace yourselves for a season of limitless grit and unstoppable hustle. And of course, this is Ira Faye Avila. You're tuning here on GNN TV 48 Naga, and this is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ira. Ayan, nakilala na po natin ang ating 7th school na magpa-participate for our Bukal Season 8. We have the USI Falcons. Ayan, marami po tayong dapat abangan na schools dahil matutunghayin natin kung sino yung makakasama ng ating mga courtside reporters, and of course, maliban dyan, yung preparations po nila for this season, kung ano yung ibubuga nila or dapat nilang ipakita for this season. Ako, talagang kaabang-abang po yung ating Bukal Season 8 dahil of course matutunghayin natin yung mga bagong schools makikipaglaban doon sa mga datihang schools na nagpa-participate for our Bukal. And of course, yung ating mga courtside reporter. Ayan, makakasama rin po natin sila. For our next school, we have the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Yen Marin. Yen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much. And we are live at the UNC Sports Palace for the opening of the Bukal Season 8. And here with me is Coach Rars and Matt Latombo, the shooting guard of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And may ilang katanungan lamang po ako for the team. But before that, how are you doing today, Coach?
So, medyo nervous kasi it's a new season, so new motivations, new everything. So yan lang naman siguro for now.
Okay, Coach. And yep, it's been quite some time, Coach, since your team is aiming for the championship. And ano po ang naging motivation ninyo to keep believing in the process despite the long wait?
So for the past year kasi di po kami nakapasok ng top 4 or hanggang quarterfinals lang po kami. So siguro for this year, we've been striving hard and practicing hard just to have a better finish than last year.
Okay, Coach. And also for that, Coach, this season, what adjustments or preparations ang ginawa ng Team Ateneo para makabalik sa top at magkaroon ng chance to win the title?
So nothing special naman po talaga, honestly. So every single day we just practiced hard, do extra work, lahat-lahat prepare namin from plays to situational awareness na rin ng mga bata. Everything, we just had to practice really hard kasi it's the key to finishing better naman din po this season.
Okay, Coach. So, magis kung magis ba. And yep, thank you so much, Coach. And also on the other side, we have Matt Latombo, the shooting guard of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And how are you feeling right now, Matt?
Medyo nervous lang po, pero okay lang po.
Okay, that's fine. And by the way, for the past few seasons, your team has come close but fallen short. Ano ang nagiging motivation mo para patuloy na lumaban at bumangon every season?
As Coach Raz said po, yung nga pong di po kami nakapasok ng quarters, hanggang quarters lang po kami. And yun po yung naging reason kung bakit po, yun po yung ginawa namin motivation para po mas mag-strive for po ng more and sana and mas ganahan po kami sa mga susunod na games po.
Okay, and lastly, what is your message sa mga supporters na nananatiling loyal at patuloy na sumusuporta sa inyo through every season of Bukal?
Sana po gabay na and sana po suportahan na po kami sa mga susunod na laro and sa mga upcoming games po mas tibayan na po ninyo ang pag-cheer and salamat po sa mga paggagabay po sa amin. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Maraming salamat, Coach Rars and Matt Latombo of the Golden Knights. And this is Yen Marin. This is the latest update on the Ateneo side. And yep, pakatutukan natin ang Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at this Bukal Season 8. And that is chasing greatness, defining history. That's the latest update. Bye for now. Back to the panel.
Yes, thank you so much, Yen Marin from the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. And of course, ayan na po ang ika-8 natin na schools na magpa-participate for Bukal Season 8. Once again, pasalamatan ulit natin yung mga sponsors natin for Bukal Season 8. We have Elaville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Skyrek Advertising, HJP Pawn Shop, AP Barbers, and of course, GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Ayan, meron pa po tayong makikilalang schools. We still have 3 schools na makikilala po ngayong hapon bago po tayo magsimula ng ating opening ceremonies dito. Yan, live na live sa UNC Sports Palace. And this time, kilalanin naman natin kung sino yung kasama ng ating courtside reporter na si Amanda Lazaro from the SVC Rams. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper. We are so back, Bicolandia. This is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. This afternoon, we are live here at the University of Nueva Cáceres Sports Palace for Bukal Season 8. And together with me is the head coach of the Shepherdville Rams, Coach PJ Soliman. So, Coach, good afternoon. Matanong ko lamang po, since this is your comeback dito sa Liga ng Bukal, how did you prepare your team physically, emotionally, and mentally to clinch this season?
Of course, umpisa pa lang ng training namin, talagang mindset namin doon sa mga bata na this season maghahabol tayo ng championship kasi siyempre lahat naman gusto talaga ng championship. And siguro physically nagkaroon kami ng mga training camp, summer training camp. Nagkaroon kami ng twice a day training para makapag ano din yung team kasi most of our players are talagang mga bago sa sistema. First time nila makapaglaro sa may sistema. Kaya talagang ginawa namin ang lahat na para makapag-training, ma-adapt nila yung mga ibabato namin sa kanilang sistema.
Maraming salamat, and we will see the results of those trainings and preparations and how we're going to define your own history this season.
Siyempre, more than the championship, lahat naman gusto mag-champion. Pero siguro para sa amin, yung banding ng team and yung makapag-set kami this season ng barometer ng team na gagayahan ng mga susunod na student-athlete namin.
Maraming salamat, at kasama din natin ngayon one of the key players of the team, the power forward. We have Dave Matthew Espanto. So matanong ko lamang, ano ba ang aabangan ng Shepherdville community sa Shepherdville Junior Rams this season?
Nais lang namin ipakita ang bunga ng aming sipag sa training at nais namin ipakita ang pag-uhaw namin sa panalo lalo't kakabalik lang namin sa Bukal. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat for that insightful interview, Coach, and to our power forward, Dave Matthew. Once again, this is Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 8, live only here on GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and via Facebook Live of Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. This is once again Amanda C. Lazaro, and let the electrifying season begin. Back to you, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda Lazaro. Ayan ang ating courtside reporter this time for the SBC Rams. Nakilala natin ang SBC Rams and of course yung comeback nila for this season. Kaya talagang kaabang-abang rin ito ang ating SBC Rams for the Bukal Season 8. And of course, meron pa po tayong makikilalang schools. Ayan, we still have 3 remaining schools na makikilala na magpa-participate din for our Bukal Season 8. Nako, talagang kaabang-abang kung sino talaga yung aabante or kung sino yung mangunguna dito sa ating bakbakan. So tomorrow po mag-start na po ang ating bakbakan, and this time tingnan din natin kung sino ang kasama ng ating courtside reporter na si Ira Villar from the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ira, take it away.
The wait is over, the lights are on, and a brand new season begins. Good day, Bicolania, and welcome to the opening of Bukal Season 8 Juniors Division. Kasama nga natin ngayon ang Genesis Roaring Lions, isa sa mga teams na magpapakaulan ng kanilang unang roar this season. Makakausap nga natin ng sports coordinator na si Coach John Leonard Nidea, and of course, the team captain of Genesis Roaring Lions, Team Captain John Cereza. So Coach, it's a fresh season and a fresh opportunity for the Genesis Roaring Lions. What message did you give to your team before stepping onto today's court?
So first, good luck to our team, and let's enjoy and roar this Bukal Season 8.
Coach, ano naman yung identity na gusto mong tumatak for your team?
So I know our team is a small lineup, pero kaya namin makilaban and kumain ng team para maipasok po yung Bukal Season 8 for quarterfinals.
Thank you so much, Coach. How about you, Team Captain John Cereza? What do you think will be the key to your first win at this Bukal Season 8?
Siguro yung binibigay na sa amin ni Coach, pressure para lumakas ang aming mentality and communication and teamwork sa team.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach, and thank you so much, John Kelly Cereza. Meron ba kayong message or shoutout sa mga supporters ng Genesis Roaring Lions?
First, thank you po si Sir Albert po for our school director, and for Doc Ellen, our BPAA, and sa mga coaching staff po namin, shout out, and good luck to our team.
Alright, Thank you so much, Coach John, and thank you so much, Team Captain Kelly. There you have it, Bucalistas. Determinado na nga at game na ang Genesis Roaring Lions as they begin this new season. This is Ira Villar, your courtside correspondent for Bucal Season 8, only here on GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ira Villar from the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ayan, nakilala na nga natin ang ika-10 team na magpa-participate for our Bucal Season 8. And of course, meron pa po tayong mga susunod na teams na makikilala. And of course, still kaabang-abang po yung ating laban ngayong Season 8 dahil meron tayong bagong teams and of course yung mga datihan na rin po na nagpa-participate for Bucal Season 8. And of course, still live po tayo dito sa UNC Sports Palace for the opening ceremony. Yung mga gusto pong matunghayan ng opening ceremony ng Bucal Season 8, punta lamang po kayo dito. And of course, yung mga hindi naman po makakapunta, live na live po tayo sa Facebook page ng Bucal, GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. This time, let's hear an update or kung sino yung kasama ng ating courtside reporter na si Julie Polotan from the Morms Patriot. Julie, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper. Bucalistas, welcome to the 8th season of the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. 12 different teams that chases greatness but uniting in defining one goal to reach the finals and clinch the title of becoming the season's champion. And right now, I am with the Morms Patriots power forward, Hens Padre, together with their shooting guard, Franz Puche, for a quick catch-up. So, guys, as the juniors basketball tournament officially begins, what are your expectations for your team this season?
Ano po yan, ma'am?
As the juniors basketball tournament officially begins, what are your expectations for your team this season?
Ang expectation ko ay magiging challenging this season kasi last year, first runner-up kami din. In-expect nung iba na mas gagalingan namin ngayon and kung paano namin yun mamimaintain, kung mas hihigitan po namin yun.
Okay. Ikaw naman, gaano ka ka-excited to represent Morms here at Bucal?
We are very excited po dahil last season na-fail kami to commit the champion. So dito na-stop ang aming grit to... But naging perseguido kami dahil gusto talaga namin makuha ang champion. Kaya mas nag-training kami, mas naging desidido kami sa every game namin. Yun lang po.
Another question, what do you think will be your biggest challenge this season?
Ang biggest challenge ko ay yung mga kalaban namin dahil alam naman nating lahat ng teams dito ay magagaling and mas ginagalangan nila sa training at mas and pinaghahandaan nila ito and matagal na sila nagpe-prepare para sa Bucal Season 8. Yun lamang.
And then what message would you like to share with your supporters and school community or maybe invite them to watch you guys play live here at the UNC Sports Palace on your scheduled games sa mga susunod na araw at linggo?
Sa supporters po namin, ini-invite po ko po namin kayo po na manood ng aming every game this Bucal Season 8. Thank you sa pag-support sa amin. Kahit live lang yan, appreciate na namin yan. Basta nag-support kayo sa amin. And thank you po kay Mayor Angema Yap Onhoko for supporting us in every game.
Okay, thank you so much, Morms Patriots. And good luck to your future games. And there you have it, Bucalistas, talaga namang kaabang-abang ang Morms Patriot. Kaya naman patuloy nating tutukan, abangan at suportahan ang Bucal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Dito lamang yan sa Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Muli ako si Daniela Razon, ang inyo isa sa mga courtside reporter ng Bucal Season 8. Balik sa iyo dyan sa panel, Jasper.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much, Daniela Razon from the Morms Patriots. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagpapakilala ng team and of course nung players na nakasama mo dyan. So now we are down to our last participating school for Bucal Season 8. Ayan, nakilala na po natin yung 11 schools na magpa-participate for Bukal, yung maglalaban-laban for our Bukal Season 8. And now, we are now down to the last school. Ayan, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Julie Polotan from the UNC Greyhounds. Julie, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper. Magandang hapon, Bukalistas. Live na live to keep the action alive. And speaking of live action, kasama ko ngayon si Coach Alvin Lumberio and ang kanilang shooting guard na si Sean Agnas from the UNC Greyhounds. So, Coach, entering a new season, how has the team prepared both physically and mentally? So, what has been your main focus during off-season?
Well, we prepared through structured physical conditioning, skills training, mental resilience exercises, and of course the team chemistry.
Yes, and looking back, Coach, last season, your team made it to the quarterfinals round. So what was the biggest lesson your team took from that experience, and how have you worked on improving it?
Well, the biggest lesson was the consistency with our performance in every game. So we have to really fix that. And put an emphasis in our preparation na yung talagang ilimit namin yung turnovers, yung poor execution on both defensive and offensive ends.
Yes, and ikaw naman, Sean, during trainings, what's the one reminder from Coach that has stayed with you the most?
The reminder po that has stayed with me the most po is to always do the right things right po. And sabi po ng mga coaches, be upright and brave po.
Yan, with that reminder naman, what is your team's main goal this season? And how are you all working together to achieve it?
Our team's main goal po this season is to be better last season po. And to have a consistent improvement po. And to strive for growth po.
Yan, so do you have any message for the Greyhounds community?
Sa Greyhounds community po, salamat po sa panonood niyo po. Sana po lagi lang po kayo manood ng games po namin, sa mga darating po na games po namin, and sana po i-support niyo po kami sa ngayong season po. Salamat.
Yan, maraming salamat po. There you have it, Bukalistas. The Greyhounds are now locked in and ready to face any challenge. Hashtag upright and brave. Kaya naman stay tuned for more live action. This is Juliana Gapor-Polotan, your courtside reporter, only here on Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Julie Polotan from the UNC Greyhounds. Ayan ang ating last school. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, nakilala na nga natin ang ating 12 participating schools for Bukal Season 8. Ayan, sana po natandaan nyo yung mga dapat nyong abangan na mga players and of course strategies dito sa ating Bukal Season 8. So tomorrow we'll be starting our games ayan for Bukal Season 8. Once again, this is your commentator. I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat po. Stay tuned, don't go away dahil magsisimula na po ang ating opening ceremonies. Only here on Bukal, GNN TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Diyos marhay na hapon, Bicolandia!
Good afternoon, Bucalistas. Assembly is officially ongoing and you can actually feel the Bucal energy in the air. And by the way, my name is Nino Mendoza.
And I am Jane Daluro, and this is
Bucal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History.
The battle lines are being drawn as we speak, kaya naman to all our athletes, team officials, and guests, please proceed to your designated assembly areas because our grand parade and the epic Bucal season opening ceremony will kick off promptly at 3 o'clock p.m.
Welcome to the grandest stage of Bicolano basketball. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The return of the glory and the absolute gold standard of regional sports. Welcome to the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Bucal Season 8.
And this year, we are taking the spectacle to a whole new level because the ultimate inspirations have reunited. Oragon Sports TV, the undisputed king of live stream basketball in Bicol, is back home with Bucal to bring every single heart-stopping play straight to millions of screens worldwide.
That is right, Jane. We are being streamed via GNN Naga free-to-air TV channel 48.1, Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and the GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And now, we're waiting for the UNC Band and UNC Majorettes because we're about to start the electrifying opening ceremony of Bucal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History.
And of course, this season is something that is unexpected because a lot of teams will be entering for this time and pantay-pantay yung nagiging laban ng ating mga teams when it comes to the last season. Hindi natin mahulaan kung sino ang mananalo. And until the very end, talagang nagpakita ng mga performances and the high execution. Of course, hindi lang ng mga players and also the coaches of every team, the minds and the plans behind their victories.
Couldn't agree more, Nino. Alam mo, this season, I'm sure marami ang schools na gustong abangan talaga ang iba't ibang games from the different universities. And I'm sure, grabe din yung preparations na ginawa nila, no? From the coaches, the administration, and of course, di natin makakalimutan, the players. Right, Nino?
And of course, sa ating mga sponsors for this Bucal Season 8, our official media partner, GNN TV 48 Naga, and HJP Pawn Shop, Elaville Tours, and sa ating mga sponsors for this Bucal Season 8. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta because this Bucal Season 8 will not happen kung wala kayong ating mga sponsors.
That's right, Nino. Kaya Bucalistas, stay tuned lang. Huwag niyo kaming pababayaan dahil live na live tayo dito ngayon at the UNC Sports Palace and of course at the GNN TV 48 Naga and sa Facebook page ng Bucal Season 8. Bucal. Facebook page.
Marami tayong mga media coverage. Sa ating Facebook page, meron tayong GNN TV 48 Naga and also the Oragon Sports TV and sa ating YouTube channel, GNN TV 48 Naga. Kaya sa ating team bahay dyan, kung nasan man kayo, nasa work, nasa school, and keep watching Bucal Season 8 because this program will be exciting and maraming mga performances such as we have the UNC Marching Band and the Majorettes and of course ang ating first ever P-pop girl group from the Naga College Foundation.
Yes, the Aurora. Tama ba, Nino? Okay, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nakikita ko yung ibang supporters na nandito sa gym. I am seeing students from University of Nueva Cáceres, syempre, nandito sila. And from Ateneo, the Naga University.
Yeah, the support is really there for all these teams. ano kaya ang mangyayari for this season. Exciting na exciting. Kakatapos
That's
pa lang
right.
mag-cover ng GNN TV48 Naga ng Oragon Basketball League. And now, we are here at the UNC Sports Palace to cover the Bukal Season 8. And a lot of teams, especially during the play-ins, grabe yung pinakitang performance ng Dominican and
Yes.
yung isang team, this
The
Shepherdville
Holy
Rams
Trinity.
and the Holy Trinity. Kaya dun pa lang nakikita natin na parang pang-championship na yung nagiging performance ng ating mga teams.
That's right. Bakbakan kung bakbakan talaga. Walang inuurungan ang each team. Kasi 'di ba kahit nasa junior sila, alam natin na ang age nila, they are kind of young pa sa pagiging player, pero talagang gigil at may talino, may grit na pinapakita every game.
Of course, despite being juniors, fast-paced yung kanilang pagiging
That's
laban.
right.
And sa ating isang participating school during the play-ins, the SPJ International, again, congratulations pa rin sa kanila for participating for this Bukal Season 8. Keep on trying lang kasi malay natin sa Season 9, makakapasok na sila sa ating Bukal Season.
And gusto rin natin i-congratulate ang lahat ng coach, 'di ba, Ninyo?
Not only the players, but all the coaches, the staff, and of course yung mga nagsusupport sa kanilang mga institutions. And itong ating Bukal, a quick back history lang, Bukal started with the 4 founding schools, the Ateneo de Naga University, the Universidad de Santa Isabel, University of Nueva Cáceres, and the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Sila yung nagplano-plano para magsimula itong ating Bukal. Kaya Bukal is on its 8th season, and during the first 7 years, it was a journey and maraming naging adjustments during the program, a lot of different medias, and still, Bukal Season 8 now is strong. Marami pa ring teams na nandito, and of course, Bukal is not only about playing basketball, it's about showcasing the talent ng ating mga players and ating coaching staff. Kasi before, a lot of coaches dito sa Bukal Season 8 actually are former players such as Coach Miggy Perez, one of the former players ng Ateneo de Naga University. And we also have many more. Even our working committee, ang ating commissioner na si Coach Peter Barcelon, a former player din. And alam natin na almost lahat ng coaches ng ating mga teams are former players, and they are using their experience to execute it properly sa kanilang mga hinahandilan na teams.
That's right, Nino. In short, ang Bukal ay pinoprove talaga kung gaano kang competitive, kung gaano kagaling ang mga schools here in the Bicol region.
I think palapit na ang ating parade because I already hear the UNC Marching Band and the Majorettes mula dito sa ating tinatayuan.
Yes.
And of course, papasalamatan natin ang ating mga Bukal student volunteers for executing this program sa ating venue setup. Until to the media team, maraming suporta na nakuha natin. And of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga board members ng Bukal. And to everyone na nanonood sa live stream natin, comment lang kayo, baka ma-shoutout kayo ng ating commentator sa ating live stream.
Yes, engage lang sa ating Facebook page, live coverage, and then of course sa YouTube channel, only here on Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History.
And ayun, naka-flash na sa ating monitor ang UNC Majorettes together with the UNC Marching Band.
They are approaching the UNC Gymnasium.
Again, sa ating fans all around the world, we are being streamed via GNN Naga Free-to-Air TV Channel 48.1, Bukal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And now, leading our grand parade with a beat that commands attention, let's hear it for the pride of the host school, the UNC Band and UNC Majorettes. Marching behind them are the gladiators of the hardcore, the future champions who will put it all on the line. Let's shake the rafters of the UNC Sports Palace for Bukal Season 8 Men's Basketball's Juniors Division.
History begins here. Let us proudly welcome the 4 founding schools of Bukal, the institutions that turned a vision into a lasting tradition. First up, representing the host school, the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds.
Up next, the fierce blue and white of the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights.
Once again, the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Hear them roar, the Naga College Foundation Incorporated Cubs.
Bring the passion. Let's welcome the Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons.
Once again, the Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons. Up next, the high-flying contenders of ACLC Naga Hawks.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the ACLC Naga Hawks. Now, coming all the way from Sorsogon, the resilient Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Panthers.
Once again, the Annunciation Panthers. Up next, let's hear it for the Dominican School of Kamalig Incorporated.
Once again, we have here the Dominican School of Kamalig. Ready to shock the league, Genesis College Incorporated.
Once again, Genesis College Roaring Lions. Up next, the powerhouse force of the Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, the Golden Eagles.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Trinitians Golden Eagles. Show some love for the Marshall O. Ranyola Memorial School Patriots.
Once again, the Marshall Oranyola Memorial School Patriots. Up next, sailing into the storm, the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation Dolphins.
Once again, the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation Dolphins. And rounding up our elite contenders, the unstoppable Shepherdville College Rams.
Once again, the Shepherdville College Rams. Up next, the backbone and the support of this Bukal Season 8, the commentators, the courtside reporters, gators and logistics, statisticians, medics, Bukal executive, Bukal staff, and volunteers. This Season 8, Bukal Season Volunteers.
Let's all give them a round of applause.
Once again, our Bukal Season 8 volunteers.
What a spectacular lineup that we have here. Give it up one more time for all our participating schools. The battle for Bicolano basketball supremacy starts today.
Looking at this court, Jane, the sheer talent assembled here is mind-blowing. But behind every great league is a powerhouse management team.
Tama ka dyan, Nino. Let us recognize the visionaries, the leaders, and the backbone of this massive sporting event, our brilliant basketball contingents and the Bukal Board of Officers for Season 8.
And of course, the Bukal Board of Directors, starting off with the board members. We have Francisco Para Jr.,
Mario C. Villanueva,
Joseph Eric O. Claro,
Roel Rosales,
Dwight Lamit,
the Bukal Student Volunteers President, Sheila May Garcia,
the Bukal Execom Secretariat, Kayla Guapo,
the Bukal Student Volunteers Coordinator and Operation Head, Brian Nascinceno,
Assistant Manager for Bukal Season 8 Basketball, Jose Maria Calandria,
and the Commissioner for Bukal Season 8 Basketball, Peter Barcelon,
and the Bukal Board of Directors President, Miguel Gustavo M. Perez. A massive round of applause for our Bukal Board of Officers.
And as we stand on the brink of an intense, highly competitive season, let us take a moment of silence to center ourselves, unite our hearts, and ask for divine guidance and protection for all our athletes, coaches, and officials.
To lead us in prayer, please welcome Mr. James Alexander Belleza of the University of Nueva Cáceres.
May I ask everyone to please stand and spend a moment of silence. Let us pause to reflect, unite our minds and hearts, and call upon the Almighty, the Creator, and the source of all strength. Almighty Creator, we thank you for the gift of life and for bringing us together for the opening of Bukal Season 8 tournament. We are grateful for this opportunity, celebrate friendship, unity, and our shared life, our shared love for the game. We ask for the blessing upon this tournament and everyone taking part in it. Watch over our players, coaches, officials, volunteers, sponsors, parents, and spectators. Keep us safe from injury and harm, and guide us to compete with honesty, respect, discipline, and true sportsmanship. Bless the effort and sacrifices of every athlete. May we use our talents to inspire others, honor our shared values through our actions, and always strive for excellence with humility. We also pray for the Bukal organization continue to guide its leader as they promote sports development and strengthen our communities throughout the Bicol region. As we embrace this season, chasing greatness, defining history, remind us that true greatness is found not only in winning, but in the values we live by, the friendship we build, and the respect we show one another. May this tournament bring out the best in us and inspire us to become better athletes, better teammates, and better people. In your holy name and your universal name, we pray. Amen.
Please remain standing for the singing of our national anthem to be led by the UNC Band. Thank you, everyone. We may now be seated.
To formally open our hearts and doors to this monumental season, let us hear from the visionary leader of our host institution.
A true champion of youth development and sports excellence. Let us give a warm, thunderous welcome to the President of the University of Nueva Cáceres, Dr. Faye Lea Patria M. Laraya.
Good afternoon. Today we gather to open a new season of the Bukal. There's always a beautiful energy in the Sports Palace as we kick off a new year. We feel the pride of your colors representing your different schools, the anticipation of the whistle, and the shared warmth of our distinct Bicolano hospitality. Allow me first to acknowledge Mr. Miguel Gustavo M. Perez, President of the Bukal Board of Directors. Together with our board members, Mr. Francisco Parra Jr., Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, Mr. Joseph Eric Claro, Mr. Roel Rosales, and Mr. Dwight Lamit. We also recognize Mr. Peter Barcelon, Commissioner for Bukal Season 8 Basketball. Mr. Jose Candelaria, Assistant Commissioner and Assistant Manager, and all our tournament officials and organizers. To our participating schools this year, we warmly welcome the delegations from Ateneo de Naga University, the Naga College Foundation, the Universidad de Santa Isabel, ACLC Naga, Anunciacion College of Bacon, Sorsogon, Dominican School of Kamalig Incorporated, Albay, Genesis College, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Marshall O. Ranyola Memorial School, the Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, the Shepherdville College, and of course, the host of the 8th season, the University of Nueva Cáceres. To our student athletes, welcome to UNC, your host for Bukal Season 8. As we raise our banners today, we must do so with more than excitement. We must do so with profound sense of reflection as well. The Bicol Universities and Colleges League, Athletic League, or Bukal, was founded to be a sanctuary of growth of young athletes. Let's look and be focused on the association's goal, and it has always been clear that Bukal has been organized to foster solidarity, to build character, and to use the arena of sports as an extension of the classroom. We are here to develop you, our dear students, not just to win the game, but borrowing the words of Roel Rosales, champions in sports as well as champions for life. We are completely capable of bringing you towards that. We do not have to look far in order for us to have deep reflection on this refocusing of our mission. Our national sporting community was deeply shaken by a tragedy involving student athletes during a basketball team building activity. It was a heartbreaking reminder, and I was really seriously impacted by what happened. When we are pressured to win, to rush to prepare, and to blindly pursue competitive supremacy, overshadowing our main goal of care, safety, humanity, and development of our youth. Let us then be reminded, dear athletes, and to our dear coaches, our athletes are students first. Our athletes must be students first. Sports should be one pathway towards the holistic development of our student. It should teach them how to fall and to get up again, to rise again. It should teach them how to work with others, how to handle defeat with grace, and how to carry success with humility. We nurture athletes, and again, in the words of Rewell, champions in sports are champions in life. To our dear coaches and athletic directors, your primary job is not to produce winners, but your primary job are educators and guardians. Protect our athletes, protect our students, teach them. Do not let them be pressured for a trophy to compromise their safety, their education, or their integrity. To our student athletes, nakikinig pa ba? Can you say hi? To our dear athletes, play with all your heart. Sweat, run, fight for every point, and make your schools proud. But remember that that jersey you are wearing is also an extension of our classroom. Protect your character fiercely, because long after the cheering stops, your character is what will carry you throughout life. Let this season, the 8th season of Bukal, then, prove that in Bicol, we are not just building champions, but we are forming good, honorable, and resilient Oragons. We hope in our hearts that we focus on our true mission, and with this in mind, I hereby declare the 8th season of Bukal officially open.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lauraya. Indeed, the UNC Sports Palace is ready to witness greatness.
Jane, I think the energy here is about to boil over. Are we ready to elevate the hype?
Nino, I am more than ready. Let's bring back the heavy beats and the jaw-dropping choreography. Vocalistas, ready your cameras because we're lighting up the court once again. Here is the show-stopping UNC Majorettes and Band.
Once again, let's give it up for the UNC Majorettes and Band. Unbelievable and electrifying. Let's hear it one more time for the UNC Majorettes and Band.
The music has set the vibe, but now it's time to ignite the soul of Bukal, the flame that symbolizes sportsmanship, raw discipline, and unyielding fire.
To carry this sacred flame and light the beacon of Season 8, please welcome UNC's very own Johan Jerome Goropat.
And the flame is lit. The spirit of Bukal Season 8 burns brighter than ever before.
That burning flame is a promise of fair play, respect, and ultimate sportsmanship.
To lead our athletes in making that sacred pledge, let's call on Aldre Tabilog of ACLC.
May I please request my fellow athletes to please stand and raise your right hand and heartily repeat after me. I state your name, representing my team in the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Do hereby solemnly swear to abide by, adhere to, and uphold all the rules, regulations, and agreements set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor, I promise to play with the highest standards of discipline and sportsmanship. Whether we win or lose, what matters most is how I conduct myself and play the game in the spirit of unity, peace, and community fellowship with my fellow athletes. I therefore declare to preserve sportsmanship and the values of a true athlete in thought, in word, and in deed, for the glory of the sport and for the glory of my team. So help me God.
Thank you so much, Aldre from the ACLC. May every athlete play with honor, passion, and the heart of a true champion.
Behind every great athlete is a mentor who shapes their discipline and guides their path.
To lead our coaches and officials in their commitment to integrity and fair play, please welcome our Assistant Commissioner, Jose Maria Calandria.
May I ask my fellow coaches to please stand and raise your right hand and repeat after me. In the name of all coaches taking part in this tournament, I pledge that we will coach with utmost respect for the dignity of all athletes, organizers, and opponents. I pledge to carry out our responsibilities with integrity, honesty, and fair play, I dedicate myself to the true essence of sports and honor by participating in this tournament. I am giving back to the sports that inspired me. I commit to guiding my athletes to aim high, to strive for excellence, and to reach their fullest potential, both on and off the court, in pursuit of greatness and true sportsmanship. So help me us, God.
Thank you, Commissioner Calandria. Under your guidance, we guarantee a season of world-class integrity.
We've witnessed the discipline, we've felt the commitment. Now, let's keep this party going.
Get ready to make some noise for the first ever All Bicolana P-Pop Girl Group, Roaring Loud, Roaring Proud, from the Naga College Foundation, Aurora. Get ready to witness the power, passion, and energy of the rising first ever Bicolana P-Pop Girl Group. These talented young performers are here to light up the stage with their synchronized charisma, performances, and undeniable talent. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Aurora!
I bet it goes like this. India, 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 India. One day soon the world's gonna end. I'm gonna make out with my new bestest friends. I wanna live large right before it all burns down. India, go hard like a Robin or Lou. Lisa with the cute attitude. I wanna get high right before we're in the ground. Ooh, scared from cloud nine. No one can touch us if they tried. Ooh, but it's a state of mind. I bet it goes like this. India, India, India. Us against the world, shaking ass in the parking lot. If we get arrested, haha, baby, laugh it off. I love you, you love me, we batch it, we weed, and I kill it for you if it got that deep. Fantasy is a frequency of mine, delusion, philosophy. I kind of know nothing, just like Socrates. The only truth is screaming from cloud nine. No one could touch us if they tried. What is the state of mind? I bet it goes like this. India, India, India. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, that was a sensational performance. Once again, vocalistas, Aurora.
This is it, Jane. The practices are done. The jerseys are on. Oragon Sports TV is rolling. And the entire region is watching.
By the power of unity, sportsmanship, and the burning passion of Bicolano youth,
And by the authority vested in us, we officially declare the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletics League Season 8 Juniors Basketball Tournament officially open. Let's play hard, play fair, and show the world what Oragon Pride is all about. Once again, I am Nino Mendoza.
And I am Jane Deluro. Catch all the live actions on Oragon Sports TV and the official Facebook page of Bukal. Mabuhay
Ang Bukal, mabuhay po kamong gabos. Now, let the games begin. And of course, thank you to all our sponsors, Elaville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Experience Effortless Travel, SkyTech, your one-stop shop, printing and advertising service, HJP Pawn Shop na mapapagkatiwalaan atin may puso sa oras nin pagkakangipo, AP Barbers, always precision, always perfect, and GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida and Bicolano, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And thank you so much everyone for attending these programs. Once again, this has been Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. A photo opportunity for the board of members of the Bukal Season 8. And now we may request the board members to come down to the stage for a photo opportunity with the players and coaches.
May we call on the coaches and the players to please stand up and mag-compress po tayo para lahat tayo makasama sa pictures together with the board of members.
Move your body, get higher.
Alright, compress.
Tonight, tonight.